everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you an Aliexpress haul from KSCraft Lovers Store. I have these pretty butterflies that come in a set of 4. So here you go. Here's the other 2. So these are really nice. Love the filigree work. Next is this bow. It looks like a bride's bow with all the little dots inside. So that should be really pretty. Next is this set of hangers. Now if you need the measurements, the largest one is 3 inches by 1 3/4. The middle size is 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. And then the last one, the smallest one, is 2 inches by 1 inches. Okay, so there's that. Then we have this pretty doily, and this doily is 3 1/2 inches. Okay, next we have this hot air balloon. The largest one is 3 1/2 by 5 inches, and then the smallest one is 3 inches by 4 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1 1/4. I don't know. It's really close. Okay, next I have this keychain with the butterflies, and then there's the body of the butterflies. There's a border of butterflies, so this should be really cute. And the keychain is 2 1/2 inches by 3 3/4 of an inch. Okay. Next I have this doily right here. It's labeled a flower doily, but looks more lacy to me. It's 3 inches. Next I have this wallet or change purse. It's a memory desk, so there is that portion included so that you can change it, or you can use it as an embellishment, so it's versatile. And this one is 3 by 4 inches. Okay, next we have this jewelry label set where you can have your necklaces and earrings displayed. This is really elegant. And this one is 3 inches by 5 inches. So there's some little slits where you can cut into the paper and hang your necklaces or your earrings. Next is this other jewelry holder, and it's designed like this. And this one is 4 inches by 4 inches, the largest one. I didn't measure the middle one, but that's the largest one, okay? All right, next is this desk telephone, and this one is 3 by 4 inches. Okay. Next I have this kitchen set. It's really cute. I believe this right here are the little hooks that you would put in like the little centers where the holes are cut out to indicate that these utensils are hanging from the hooks. So that's what that little die is, I believe, when I looked at it. So this is almost like hanging on your wall or something in the kitchen to represent that. So that's really neat. So loving that. Great for your recipe books, or if you want to decorate your recipe cards. Speaking of recipe cards, I have a stamp where you can stamp out mini cards. And also there is a coordinating die, and then there's also utensils, a cutting board, a teapot that you can layer and make more dimensional. There's a tab. So this goes together if you're going to make a recipe holder box or something like that, or maybe even a book. Okay, next is your tags. And the tags say handcrafted, enjoy, swap, mail, 100%, bless you, surprise, original, handmade, gift, special, and candy. There is a coordinating die also on the back. Okay, and last but not least, we have some sugar sprinkles in some beautiful colors. We have peach and red. We have the blues. We have the greens, and we have the mints and turquoise. Really loving these colors. They're really gorgeous to embellish on your cards. Okay, so thank you for joining me. There is a sale going on starting June the 17th through the 23rd. So you may want to load your cart up and get ready for the sale. That should be fabulous to save some money. And also, I just want to let you know that if you like this video, just click the like button. Again, the description box will open for all the links to the products. So I hope this will be helpful for you. Okay, take care and have a fabulous day.